Hello, dear students. I'm Dr. Chandrakala HD. Under the subject Programming Language using C, I'll be teaching you string functions in this video from the chapter Arrays and Strings. C supports a variety of built-in string functions. The programmer need not write the code for doing a lot of string operations. Most string operations are available as built-in functions. You can just pass the strings into these built-in functions and get the operations done easily in your program. So there are 6 main string functions which we have to know in C language. The first string function is string copy. So this string copy function will copy string S2 into string S1. So this will, of course, overwrite the content of S1 with S2. The second string function is string concatenate function, which is given by strcat. The two strings S1 and S2 are passed as parameter to this function. This function will concatenate string 2 towards the end of the string S1. So the S1 content will be retained as it is, and S2 will be added towards the end of S1. The third string function is string length function. So this function will return the length of a string which is passed as parameter to it. strlen of S1, for example, returns the length of string S1. When I tell length, it means that the total number of characters plus the null character totally gives the length of the string. The fourth function in C language for strings is string compare function given by strcmp. So this particular string compare function will return a 0 if S1 and S2 are same strings. If all the characters in strings S1 and S2 are same, this function will return a 0. If S1 is greater than S2, it will return a value which is positive, greater than 0. Positive value is returned. If S1 is less than S2, then it will return a value which is negative or a value which is less than 0. The fifth function for strings is Strc-Hr. This particular function will find whether a given character is present in the string or not. So here, this particular function returns a pointer to the first occurrence of character ch in string S1 if it is present. So ch should be present in string S1, and if it is so, then the address of this particular index of this particular character in S1 will be returned as the output by this function. So not only the presence of a character, we can also check for presence of an entire string within another string using the string function, that is str function. This function will return a pointer to the first occurrence of string S2 in string S1. So let's take an example program to demonstrate the usage of these built-in functions in the program. So for usage of built-in string functions, we need to include the string.h header file in the particular program. So stdio.h is a header file which is always included for printf and scanf function. Whenever we use string functions, we need to include string.h along with stdio.h. So I'll declare and initialize two strings, string 1 and string 2 of size 12, and put the values as hello and world respectively. And I'll also declare a blank string 3 for further purposes, and I'll declare an integer len. First, I'll perform string copy function. So str copy, str3, str1. So I'm instructing the compiler to copy string 1 onto string 3. So hello will be copied to str3. Next, I'll print the result. So strcpy, str3, str1 will be printed as it is, and this percentages will be replaced by the actual value of str3, which is hello. So this line strcpy, str3, str1 equal to hello will be displayed. Next, string strcat, string concatenate function has been used. So I'm trying to concatenate str2 to the end of str1 by calling strcat function. So this will be displayed as output in the printf as strcat, str1, str2, and hello world. So hello was previously there in str1, and towards the end of str1, I am putting the content of str2, which is world. So hello world. Next, I'm calling string length function. I'm trying to find the length of string 1 and I'm putting it to an integer variable len. Since size is an integer, we have to assign it to an integer variable. And I'm displaying the output as strlen of str1 equal to %d, which is replaced by len. So after concatenation, my new size of the string 1 is 10. So that will be displayed. So that was about string functions. Thank you.